Hi everyone, I hope you are fantastic. Today I wanted to bring to you another review and in the spirit of working at home and wanting to be as productive as possible, we got ourselves another monitor, second screen. So this is now mainly for my husband, for him to use while he's working, because absolutely second screens are so vital. I mean, just working on your laptop when you're working with multiple documents is sometimes not as efficient. So having a second screen we found to be epic. So we bought this one. So this is the Philips. We bought this from Amazon. Uh, when did you order this?
On Sunday.
So that was Sunday and it arrived Wednesday. So that was not too bad. This is a 27-inch LCD monitor from Philips, and there it says a Smart Connect and built-in speaker, and that's pretty good. Then you've got some other stuff written here. So we're going to do an unboxing and connect it up and see how it works. Okay, babe, let's go ahead. So it obviously comes nicely packaged. So it's got this thing here, which, yeah, we'll find out what it is. Some cables, another cable, more cables. Now it's coming out. There it is. So as you can see, it's well protected. And then there you have it. So it's in there. There you go. That's what it looks like. Nice and big. Okay. Just going to turn it around, and that's the back there. There we go. Okay, let's get this baby hooked up. So because we're using this particular laptop, we need almost like an adapter. So as you see, this is what it looks like. That's where it goes in. So we've got this adapter that we bought from Amazon as well. So I'll put a link in the description. So it's a little cable, it's a very short cable. And then we've got another cable that then connects this. And that's what's going to be connected to the monitor. And then we're just going to connect it to the monitor. So this is the power cable. I'm going to plug it in. And then we're going to put it at the back there, where there's the little squiggly line. There you have it. Switch it on. And then, so you just tap. So you tap the power button, and then it's switching on. And then you've also got the laptop, which is switched on, and there you have it. It's mirroring the laptop. So there you have it, all set up all good to go. And I'm also going to put in the description where we got the arm, which is this thing here attached to the laptop, so that you can switch, move it around the way you want to. But yeah, there you have it, the monitor setup. Link will be in the description. Thanks guys, bye.